Tyler, the city of Vergennes has a salt problem. They're running dangerously low right now, but city leaders say they have a plan to get through the storm this weekend. Our Jackson Stover joins us now from the Weather Lab. And Jackson, the roads aren't terrible right now, but it's a different story in the coming days.
Yeah, Liz, that's right. You really wouldn't know a storm is coming. Take a look at downtown Vergennes right now. It's blacktop. Obviously going to change in the coming days. Now, city leaders here in Vergennes say that they can make through the weekend, but I spoke with some residents who said they're not looking forward to the cold that comes with this storm.
In the city of Vergennes, it's the calm before the storm.
Winter weather, it's nothing new.
Dangerously cold temps and a blanket of powder in the forecast could mean a weekend indoors for Eliza Heisinger. That is, if she can keep her kiddos from enjoying the fresh blanket of snow.
What's going to do with all the snow?
Well, we go sledding in the new tubes that we got from Christmas.
A similar plan for Joshua Chasky, who plans on staying off the roads.
Most people aren't going to be leaving the house anyway, in my opinion. And I think, go slow.
Chasky saw a social media post from his city's Department of Public Works, informing residents that they're running out of salt for the roads.
We're not out, but we're getting very close. We're nervous.
Vergennes Mayor Chris Barrer says they have just enough to navigate through this weekend's weather, but after that, supplies run out.
The supply and demand this year has been really taxing on the people getting the salt in.
The mayor says it's not just a problem in Vergennes. Neighboring towns are feeling the punch as well. Lots of snow, but not enough supplies to go around.
If we get a back-to-back-to-back storm, we're going to be in trouble.
Now, if things get desperate, the Vermont Agency of Transportation says they have plenty of salt. Barrer says they've shared supplies from their reserves in the past.
We might be able to borrow some salt from them next week if we need some, if we can't get some.
He reminds his neighbors to take it slow if you have to drive this weekend.
Just be cautious out there.
Hey, now it's not just Vergennes that has this salt shortage. The town of Middlebury just released this statement tonight to us saying that they were also low on supply. As a result, their public works department will be reducing salt usage even further than it already has this winter, as well as using a mixture of sand and salt. Now, Vergennes is also using sand and salt on these roads as they wait for more supply to come in this week. More information on who exactly will be affected by salt shortage can be found on our website. That's mynbc5.com. For now, I'm reporting live in Vergennes. Jackson Stover, NBC5 News.